Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, we're going to do a quick full guide for property managers. So managing apartments or rental properties in 2025, here's a full simple guide on how to use in Realpage Onesite, step by step. First of all, what is Realpage Onesite? Onesite is a cloud-based property management platform. It helps you manage leasing and renewal, rent payment, maintenance requests, resident screening, accounting and reporting, and it's built for multifamily, student housing, senior living, and even more. So the key models in Onesite is the lease and rent, rent, of course, which will let you basically track leases, manage renewals, and send reminders. For this prospects management, it will let you follow up with leads and convert them to tenants, as an example. For residence portals, tenants can pay rents, submit issues, and also get updates. And for maintenance, you will be able to create, assign, and track work orders. And of course, it handles also the budgets of accounting, invoices, payments, and reporting. So all in one centralized dashboard. So how can you use the Onesite? You can go, as an example, to the Realpage, or you can go to onesite.realpage.com, and this will basically take you to this page. Let me just wait for it until it's open. Here we are, and from here, an example, you'll be able to navigate to the model that you need. Do you need leasing? Do you need accounting? Do you need maintenance? But to register, it's not from here. Basically here they'll tell you like all the things that you want, so you will have to go to realpagenormally.com, and from here, an example, you'll be able to click on register to register today. So as an example, you can click on register for 2025, and here you'll be able to start filling up your information. So individual registration required, starting with register current company email address. So here, an example, through June 5, the early bird registration fee is kind of $600. After June 5, the standard registration will be around $800. It's $5 less. So here you'll have to enter your email address and your CC, and then of course here the code that you'll receive through your email, and you should already have your account. Then, as we said, you'll have to navigate to the model that you need. Then you'll be able to use filters to find like units, tenants, or tasks. Basically, you'll get access to the dashboard that they have, which is going to be, as an example, this one. Here's an example, of course, depending on whatever you want. They have even an application. For you'll be able to add and update basically your records with lease terms and rent changes, or also like service requests, and you can save and monitor updates in real time. So for the security and support, it's encrypted and cloud hosted in compliance with industry standards, and Realpage page also offer training, support tickets, and live chat. So as a final thought, Realpage Onesite is a powerful all-in-one solution for property management in 2025. Especially if you're scaling or managing multiple units. So that should be it for me in this tutorial. If you have any question, leave it down below in the comment section, and we'll try to answer you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.